Good to see you again, Mateo.
Likewise. How's our wedding plan looking?
1 month has passed since we established the plan. Let me show you how we're doing. I track progress on the plan by filling in the triangles for work that has been completed. As you can see, the flowers were planted, and I started my efforts as the wedding planner.
You've made it easy to visually see what work has been completed.
The next step is to figure out the overall progress status using EDM. I'll start with the AC, or actual costs. This is simply an accounting of money spent on the project.
Everything is looking good so far. I see you've spent $400.
Precisely. The other metric I track is earned value, or EV. This is the magic behind EDM. To determine EV, we need to look at the plan and see what has been completed. Remember, the amount of credit earned for each task is based upon the EV technique selected when we established the plan.
I'm interested to see how the different EV techniques come into play.
Let's start by looking at the wedding planner task. We chose a level of effort EV technique for that one. LOE tasks can never be ahead or behind, the amount of earned value always matches the plan.
I see that. The plan shows $400 in the month of January, and that triangle is filled in, indicating it was earned.
The flowers task is a little different. It has a % complete EV technique.
I remember that we set up the plan. We used height of the flowers as the indicator of % completed.
Exactly. The tulips were moved into the greenhouse in January, as indicated by the filled-in triangle, but we haven't earned any value yet on the flowers since they haven't started growing. To determine the EV for the entire project, we need to add up all earned value from each task.
0 from the flowers task and $400 from the planner task equals a total of $400 overall. Is that correct?
You've got it. We can also track the overall performance with variances. We compare the planned value to earned value to see how we are doing on schedule. And actual costs compared to earned value to see how we are doing on cost. Right now, everything is on track for both schedule and cost, which is why you see variances of 0. So far, so good.
Thanks, Emma.
You're welcome. We'll check in again next month.